Okay, happy Sunday to everyone coming on to you from kitchen, my kitchen in my house. Quarantine at home, doing donuts. So Nehua, come over here. And my daughter, she doesn't want to join me on my video, so she'll be my host. I mean, not my host. She'll be my video cameraman. I am going to use a big seppi like the way Chuukese people make their tempura. I bought one big seppi made in China, Chinese, and I will be using my big seppi making my tempura so I get plenty tempura for people who wants to get their tempura. So right there, my big seppi. I'm using this big seppi so I can have a lot of tempura. So, pipucho yan, katsakai tiorokewe pure west, wafakutene ferrigor puewa, I seppi bewate pure tepetep, epapanna fingerio, so much a kuterer. Katsakai DA, without Pasati Portland. And here is my big Chuukese seppi. I'm gonna be using this big seppi for today for making my tempura. Okay, Lehu, there is my partner over there. Okay, you need to, I'm gonna start doing it. So yeah, what's a katoraye. Another recipe for big seppi. If you guys wanna make this recipe we're gonna be doing is good for big arroz muit. It's good when you make it for the arroz because it's gonna be one big batch. So keep watching my live video. Put some heart, put some thumbs up if you want to see my recipe. Anyone is watching, put some heart, put some thumbs up on my live video so you can watch me while making my ingredients for my big taray seppi donuts. Okay, so stay tuned, don't go away, because I am gonna show you guys my recipe. Keep watching and give me some hearts. Okay, so for today's recipe, we are going to use garlic. Okay, I'm trying to do like a show. So we're gonna be using a measuring cup like this. I bought this measuring cup for dollar store for it's only $1. So when you do your water, okay, put it to the faucet. You want to make sure you use a lukewarm water. You know what is lukewarm water? It's going to put you so make it a little bit lukewarm. You don't want to make it too hot because it's going to kill your yeast. So, let me do first the yeast and the sugar. To get your yeast melt faster, I'm going to show you what to do so you guys know how to get your yeast faster. So what I do is I get this. Where are my measuring spoons? Stay there. I'm gonna be using 2 cups sugar, which is 1 and 2, just to melt our yeast first. And I don't like this one anymore. Just refrigerating the stuff. I have my nice.
You didn't even get the yeast.
Give me the yeast. It's not what I put on the. So to melt the yeast, to make it the yeast, don't mix your yeast with your pirewa. Okay? So I'm doing that. Put in a little bit since we're gonna making a lot of tempura today. And this is what I use for my yeast, so it doesn't get bad. I put it in a barbecue Gorean sauce cover. And then, like I said, you don't want to use hot water because it can kill your yeast. Okay, and that's what I do. I'm gonna kill my yeast while doing my ingredients. So, I'm killing my yeast first. Killing it so it gets cold there. That's how you do your yeast. Kill it with the whisk. What is this? Whisk? Kitchen tool. Now I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna put it in a sieve because I'm still gonna use my measuring cup. Okay, there, that. Let it sit. Now we're gonna do our water for the tempura. So how many water we're gonna use for the big bats? I'm gonna try use 4 water. So 1. Remember, you're using a lukewarm water. Don't use too cold, don't use too hot, just use a lukewarm water. Trying to be Mr. What's his name? The good chef guy? The guy!
Who, the mean guy?
No, oh yeah, the new guy.
Gordon Ramsay?
Gordon Ramsay. Trying to be Mr. Gordon Ramsay, but this is for Chuukese FinIasai. Gordon Ramsay. So I got 4 cups of water. That should be good because we will be adding on some more stuffs. And where's our milk and our coconut milk? So just keep the jigger a little steady so they can see. We still are doing, you guys know how we do our big baths. We're showing you guys today. Make sure your table is clear and I don't like to roll out when I do my stuff. Then what is this? We're using this. So today's recipe is we're using milk, we're using water, we're using coconut milk. We're using all stuff today. We're using water, we're using whole fresh milk, we're using coconut milk. So 4 cups. This one warm water. Remember, we're using 4 cups. Now we're gonna be using whole fresh milk. This is gonna be one big fresh tempura recipe. 1 and 2. That should be good. And then what I'm going to use is, where's my tool? Where's my kitchen tool? So now we're using our kitchen tool to open our mutton. You can see, show them the nice coconut mutton. That's the best coconut mutton. You guys want to know which best coconut mutton to use for your donuts? That's the best one because it doesn't really make your donuts oily. It just makes it soft. So 1 can of mutton right there. And who turned off our thinking? You?
No.
There you go. This is one big batch recipe donuts we're making. And this is like if you have waiting at the park, but not this time because of coronavirus. But once crazy coronavirus is done, and you have one party doing party stuff and you want to make big batch of donuts, watch my video because this is the one. And if you guys like our video or Chuukese FinIasai video, please support our YouTube channel by subscribing. I guess my can opener is not really good. And open. Okay, good enough. Okay, second can of coconut milk. There you go. So that's done. Next, I'm gonna do my eggs. Where's my other? To get the eggs faster, I have to put. I thought this is my grade 2 I use for eggs. You guys wanna know? Chopstick is good to break down the eggs. So, there we go. 1 egg. 2 eggs. You guys have pen and books? You guys can write down my recipe. Get your pen, get your book, and write down my recipe. Because this is for coconut donuts recipe, big batch donut recipe. You wanna use the big pan. See how easy it is? See? It's faster how you break down the eggs with the tool. This is a great tool, so buy your chopstick. This is my big chopstick, but I use it for tool. Right there. And zoom it in, zoom it in. Zoom it in, zoom it in.
You know what I think you forgot?
Yeah.
Sugar.
No, it's not done yet. Excuse me. I was gonna get it. I think it's not done yet, no. Where's my best? Where's my big? Got that. I don't see it.
It broke.
The big one?
Mm-hmm.
I'll just use this one. Try see. Oh yeah, yes, you can fit. And let's break up the sugar. Now you want to mix in your sugar. Take that out. You don't want any coronavirus around. Clean up your kitchen.
Mom, the thing for the table fell out.
What is it? We'll deal with that later. You want to change my hand? What is it?
The screw.
We'll deal with that later.
The table can pop.
Just
Can break.
okay. My napkin. So now, sugar time. Sugar time, sugar time. If you wanna have a nice, beautiful, warm sugar thingy, that you wanna keep it in a pocket. So I have two. Yes, it's sealed. And there you go. So that's my sugar. That's Nerian in a pocket. So I get 2 cups, half cup, 1 cup. I'm gonna use the 1 cup. So to make it sweet, I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4. Jag tar fisk i det with last night. 5, 6. It's just there, taste it bitter. Because I asked him to taste it for me, he said it's sweet. Then I taste mine, it's not really sweet. Like, really? Now we're gonna use baking powder. Excuse me, cameraman. Where's my thing? Okay, going back to our tools again. There's like 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. Since this thing is big, face it to the thing, but not the FinIasai. Since this is a big steppy, I'm gonna use this tablespoon, but you wanna make sure you get it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gonna wanna make it even. So 6 tablespoons of that. Baking powder. We're making one big batch donuts today. So this roulette is for my baking soda. Everything in my house is all recycled. I don't throw away stuff. This is a bottle for peanut butter stuff, but I save it because now I use it for my baking soda. So I'm gonna, oh no, I just made a mess. I'm gonna be using the teaspoon, not tablespoon. Excuse, make correction, error. It's not tablespoon, but it's TSP, like Peter, teaspoon. Okay, Nano. So there's 6 baking powder. Now I'm gonna put in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just 4 baking soda, because you don't want to make it too much of the baking powder and the baking soda. So I don't want you guys to taste the taste of baking powder and baking soda in the bread. You want to make it even, so it comes out great. And also, when you make your donuts, you want to make sure you make it with Jaffa. You don't want to make it with cheap one, because when you make it with cheap one, your donuts is not going to come out good. So now, this is salt. See, this is for my garlic, but the garlic is eaten off. So now I'm using garlic bottle. This is salt though. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon salt. Say 1 tablespoon is good. I usually put in my small batch, only 1/4. But since this is a big one, so I'm going to be using 1. Excuse me, cameraman. Okay. So what are we missing? We got baking soda, we got baking powder, we got salt, we got eggs, we got sugar, we got fresh milk, we got coconut milk, we got water. Oh, I know which one is missing. Our yeast. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did. See how the yeast? Yeah, that's why I do it right before I start mixing my ingredients, because now the yeast is rising. So all I gotta do is put it in there. Put it in there. See? Now I'm gonna mix everything. So this is a different recipe we're doing today for big batch tempura. Like, you know how many donuts we would make with this recipe? We would make like, I think 180 donuts, like 180 or 160, somewhere 160 to 180 for this big stuff, because it's gonna be one big think, oh, I'm gonna be after so much donuts today. So first, we're almost done. We're doing our mixing ingredients of the big batch of donuts. But what we are going to do is, I have a question. Who wants to see me doing the after? Like yesterday, no, that's not the after. The mixing. Okay, I remember. Someone wants to see me how I do the after, but I don't know if somebody wants to see me do the mixing of the bread, the dough. There can be another video on mixing the dough, because some people, they try copy my recipe, but still the tempura is protected. So they asked me the question, why? But if you guys want to see how I mix my flour into a dough, then you can see how mine comes out together. But first, I'm gonna taste my thing, because my tester yesterday doesn't know how to taste sweet. You wanna taste it? So you can tell me if it's
It's gonna give me a headache.
So sometimes to test my donuts, if it's sweet or not, I test it myself. Can you taste it for me?
Fine. I just want a little bit.
On your hand. That's why you have to use your...
Mom, that's so much.
So you can tell me.
Yeah, it's sweet.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? Fakul. You sure? Chuukese's
Yes.
interpretation for you sure is fakul. Fakul? Really? Really fakul. Really, you sure fakul. Chuukese's interpretation, whoever is watching don't know how to speak Chuukese, you sure really means fakura. Okay, so I think my thing is done. All I gotta do is start putting in the flour. So, thank you very much again for watching our Chuukese FinIasai videos. And if you wanna watch more on how I do the after, please search us on YouTube videos channel as Chuukese FinIasai. Okay, happy Sunday everyone, and stay home, saves lives, but I do delivery sometimes. So, quarantine, making big donuts today. Happy Sunday, peace. kind of just keep flipping it. Flip this one here. Yeah. The other one. And keep flipping it. Cada vez que se le cada tempo vai gawe mon. Vata om nastes. I go it's a good orom. It's fresh and putikar, hot and ready for your kitchen, your table, your farang. There's the other one. It's done. And right here. So, watom na oster. I put the liquor. Okay. Okay, so it's up.